I've got a failed X13 on this carrier package unit, and I am going to use a product that I had not had a chance to use yet from Quick Products. It is a PSC motor replacement option for X13 systems or X13 blower motors. It is the QwikSwap X1 from Quick Products. Allows you to replace an OEM constant torque X13 with a PSC motor. The module is pretty simple and straightforward. It's not very large. It fits in this footprint. It's in the bag right now, so I'll show it to you when I get it out. But it's a pretty straightforward option for avoiding the expense of an X13 motor. They've got another version that is intended for replacing fully variable speed motors. But for this application, the QwikSwap X1 is going to make sense. So I'm going to go ahead and get my motor in the belly band and see if we can get this system back online tonight. There's the module mounted on the face of the blower housing. You've got your power plugs, and it's designed to simply plug in the cables for both low voltage and high voltage. So you got 4 plugs there, and you would simply take your blank plug and put it past the neutral like so. And apparently I can't do this while I'm holding the camera. It's a nice snug fit. Okay, so we got that one, and then the 5-pin will plug into the bottom right down there. And then you'll take your common to the motor and put it on that tap, and whatever speed you're selecting you put up there. If you wanted to give it a blower delay, down here under there's a R terminal, so you can delay on brake to keep the motor running for a minute. I'm going to go ahead and play with it like it is now and see how it works out. Alright, so we've got our wiring all plugged in. We've got our capacitor mounted over here with a nice strap. I'll clean up the wires when I'm confident that everything's going to be functioning well, and we'll go from there. We've got the field piece probes taking our refrigerant data, and the system just came on a minute ago, so we're still working on balancing out. Got 17 degrees of superheat and 17 degrees of subcooling apparently. We'll give it a minute to balance. I know that the condenser coil is pretty well nasty. You can see some of the crap on it. So we will be definitely making a recommendation for a maintenance tune-up on the system. But I think we'll be back online for tonight until they can get a system maintenance on it. I don't have inside probes right now. Figured I'd let it balance out before I worried too much about that. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward to put a PSC motor in place of an X13 with this QwikSwap X1 kit. They make it almost idiot-proof. The additional low voltage connection is pretty straightforward because you're inside the air handler. You could just run a piece of thermostat wire if you needed to make that connection between the R terminal and the circuit board to allow the delayed blower shutoff. So if you've got clients with X13 motors and you know that they're not going to be totally thrilled to put back an X13 motor, and you want to offer them a budget option for that situation, or if you just want to carry it on the truck for that situation where you can get them running with the PSC and come back with the OEM motor once you get your hands on it. It makes it easy to have choices with QwikSwap products or Kwik products in general. They make other things that you may be familiar with. They do the quick acid test, is one that I had seen before I knew about Kwik products. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Don't forget you can use the coupon code RARDON at TrueTechTools.com to save 7% on your purchase. Links, as always, are in the description. We've got t-shirts and links to other channels and websites. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.